Undated Get It Together People planner will help you get organized once and for all. It is a daily planner with over 400 pages. On the first page, I have how to use the planner, the cleaning list, menus, budget, debt payoff, shopping lists, and then I have an explanation of the daily pages. We have the yearly calendars here. Then we have our weekly cleaning list here, our monthly chores and as needed chores. So every week you pick one room or one section in a different room, however you want to do it. You could do it like one room a week or just one section a day in each room, whatever works best for you, and pick which one you want to clean. This is the list of most of the things that people need to clean. Then we have monthly chores with the month to mark it off. So each one of these needs to be done monthly, give or take. And then you just mark it off when you have done, and then you just keep rotating through as you do them all. Then as needed chores, wash the windows, clean the cobwebs, how often you need to do this, but then you know you've done it at least once a year, so you can mark it off when you did that. Then we have here our menus. You can list your 10 favorite menus for winter, spring, summer, and fall. And we have main dishes, sides, and desserts. So you can do all of those and have ideas that you can continually mix and match and rotate. Then on our budget, we have our budget here where you can list out your budget and stay on track. Then with your debt payoff, stay on track with your debt payoff. Then we have our monthly calendar. Then we have our daily to-do. Do your top 3 things, list 3 things, and we really don't recommend doing more. But I know if you're like me, just go ahead and add the few extras. But these are the top 3 that you have to get done today. Remember, today is for any thing that you have to do, especially today, or appointments. Those are kind of 2 in the same thing, but those are your 2 main things that you have to remember today. Daily cleaning, just check it off each day as you get it done, then you know it's finished, what you're having for dinner, and your water intake with notes here. This is 8 by 10, so it's nice and large, and you can see we have 12 months, so you can start any time of the year. And then back here, we have shopping lists. If you're a person who likes to write down your shopping lists, we have shopping lists here that you can just cut out with a pair of scissors. I'm that kind of person. I just like to see it in pen and paper. I don't use my phone very much, so I have 52 weeks of shopping lists also. You can start anytime you want, because if you're like me, you get inspired in March to start getting organized. And I hate wasting money on planners that I can only use for 9 or 10 months out of the year. So that's why I did this Undated. You can start any time of the year and you won't waste any pages. And even if you skip a few days, you won't waste pages. So grab our daily Undated planner right now, printed in the USA. You can get the link in the description below.